Hi boys and girls, today we are going to practice making 10 to add. We have 9 plus 8 equals We are going to be using two 10 frames to help us add by making 10. Let's go ahead and place 9 counters on this first 10 frame. I will use the red counters. Here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now I'm going to use this bottom 10 frame to help me represent the number 8 here. I'm going to use the yellow counters. Here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now remember that I want to make 10. We want to make 10 to help us add. In order to make 10 here, I need one more counter. I'm going to take a yellow counter from my second 10 frame and move it up here. Now I have 10 counters up here, which is represented here, 10. Plus, how many more counters do I have down here? 10 plus, let's count the yellow counters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have 7. Let's write that down. 7. 10 plus 7 equals 17, which means that 9 plus 8 equals, that's right, 17. Let's try another one. Now we have 7 plus 5 equals, Well, again, let's go ahead and make 10 to help us add. We have 7 counters. Let's go ahead and use our red counters. Here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I have 7 counters here, which is this number here, 7 counters, plus 5 more. We are going to use the bottom 10 frame and the yellow counters to represent the 5. Here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, we know that we want to make 10 to help us add. We are going to take some of these yellow counters and put them up here to help us complete a 10. Here's 1, 2, 3. Now we have 10 counters, which is here, 10, plus 2 more, let's write the 2 here, equals, what is 10 plus 2 more? 12, that's right. 10 plus 2 equals 12. Now we know that 7 plus 5 equals 12. See how making 10 helped us solve this addition sentence? 7 plus 5 equals 12, which is the same if when we make a 10. 10 plus 2 equals 12. Good. Now we have 8 plus 6 equals, Let's do the same thing. We're going to use the blue 10 frame and the red counters to represent the number 8. Here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, we have 8 counters. Now we need 6 more. We are going to use the bottom 10 frame and our yellow counters to help us represent the number 6. Here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now again, let's make a 10. I am going to take 2 from the bottom, 2 of the yellow counters. Here's 1, 2 to complete my 10 frame. Now I know I have 10 right here, 10 plus how many left do I have down here? That's right, 4. 10 plus 4 equals, that's right, 14, which means 8 plus 6 equals 14. Good. Let's try one more example. Now we have 8 plus 8 equals, Again, let's use our 10 frame to help us represent the 8. Here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, and look here. We need another 8. We have doubles. Let's go ahead and use the bottom 10 frame and our yellow counters to represent 8. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. Now again, let's complete this 10 frame to make 10. We do that by moving some of these counters. Here's 1, 2. Now we have 10 counters up here, which is represented here, 10, plus how many more are left here? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. Let's go ahead and write that down. 10 plus 6 equals 16. That's right. 10 plus 6 equals 16, which means 8 plus 8 equals 16. That's right. Good job, everyone. Go ahead and go on Seesaw and work on the activity I uploaded for you. Good work.